eagles have the most acute vision, scanning the landscape for prey. A herd of chamois makes its way along the slope, but a calf is left behind. It appears to be sick. This has not escaped the notice of a young eagle. The chamois calf tries to catch up with the herd. The eagle sees its chance. The attack must be silent. So the victim is unaware of the danger. The young eagle was successful and calls out to signal its claim to the prey. Birds are a great evolutionary success story. They have conquered all the habitats of our planet.